Popular female promoter, cocky tractor, murdered in Anchovy, St. James.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A popular dancer and female promoter who hails from Anchovy district in St. James but resides in New York was shot and killed by gunmen in Anchovy on Saturday, September 29, and her male companion shot and injured. The deceased has been identified as Judith Annabelle Miller Warren, more popularly known as Cocky Tractor. She was a popular dancehall promoter locally and abroad. The name of the wounded man has been withheld pending further investigations. Reports from the Freeport police are that about 7:30 p.m. on Saturday, Miller Warren, who recently arrived in the island, and a male companion were traveling in a Nissan motor car in the Anchovy community. Upon reaching a section of the area known as Nigger Ground, they were ambushed by a group of armed men who opened fire on the vehicle. Miller Warren and her male companion received multiple gunshot wounds to their upper bodies and were believed to have been robbed by their assailants. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, both victims were transported to hospital, where Miller Warren was pronounced dead and the male admitted in critical condition. As news of Miller Warren's murder spread, a host of tributes started to roll out via social media. Cocky Tractor, as she was fondly called, is remembered for her love of the dance floor and the entertainment scene in general. Just a few years ago, Miller Warren entered the popular dancehall queen competition, where she performed very admirably.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.